Schluter TREP GK and TREP G are designed to protect tiled stair edges and provide an easily visible, slip-resistant wear surface for durable, safe, and visually appealing stair nosing design. TREP GK is a variant of the TREP G profile without an anchoring leg that is adhered to the existing stairs. For example, the profile can be used to retrofit damaged stair nosings without replacing the existing tiles. TREP GK can be set onto stairs covered with ceramic tile or natural stone, as well as other stair covering materials. The profile is made of attractive and durable stainless steel, while the surface features a self-adhesive, slip-resistant tread with an embedded mineral grain coating. The tread can be replaced in case of damage or wear. TREP GK is available in 2 widths and features matching end caps to facilitate installation. Schluter TREP GK provides an elegant solution to finish and protect tile edges in stair applications, including areas subjected to heavy foot traffic, such as offices or public buildings. The first step towards a successful project is planning. In this example, a retrofit application of the TREP GK over existing tile will be demonstrated. In addition to tile setting tools, be sure to gather the appropriate cutting tools for the profiles. Depending on the profile material, different tools will be required. For the stainless steel TREP GK, we will be using a variable speed angle grinder with the Schluter ProCut TSM cutting wheel. The planning is now complete, and we're ready to prepare for installation. In this video, we'll demonstrate the proper installation of the TREP GK stair nosing profile. Measure where the TREP GK will be installed along the stair nosing. Transfer the measurement to the profile. The TREP GK is cut using a variable speed angle grinder with the ProCut TSM cutting wheel. Be sure to observe all safety instructions and standards. Set the angle grinder to the lowest speed. Cut the profile slowly. Using the grinder on high speed or trying to make cuts too fast can result in warping and discoloration of the metal. File the cut end of the profile to remove any burrs. Dry fit the profile before moving forward with the installation. Repeat the process for each stair. Measure, cut, and dry fit the TREP GK. Once the profiles have been cut and dry fit, the installation can begin. We are placing painter's tape where the profile terminates to protect the tile from excess adhesive that may squeeze out when the profile is embedded. Clean the edge of the tiled stairs and repair any damaged areas if applicable. Clean or degrease the underside of the profile. Apply Schluter CurdyFix or another suitable adhesive, such as epoxy resin, to the area where the TREP GK will be installed. Spread the CurdyFix using a small notched trowel or margin trowel to help ensure proper coverage is achieved. Fully embed the profile into the CurdyFix. Remove excess adhesive from the profile immediately. If the adhesive sets on the profile, it can only be removed by scraping or grinding, which will likely damage the surface. Repeat the process on the remaining stairs. The TREP GK installation is now complete. With proper planning and execution, the TREP GK profile will provide a clean finish and can eliminate the need to replace damaged stair nosings.